Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Bluedee PC gaming sound bar. Nice little sound bar with a cool LED light built into it. And yeah, let's open the box up and see what you get. So right here we've got the cord. Nice braided nylon cord, it looks like. Of course, you are going to have your instruction manual in the box here. Let's move this box out of the way so we can see this guy. Alright, so this is your cord, and this guy is powered by USB. So this cord has both your USB for power, as well as the auxiliary jack to plug into for the sound. So you're going to get sound by plugging this in, and you get power by plugging this into power, and that's how you power this guy. And you can see it does have that, this is where you get the cool LED lighting effect here, as well as here on the side and here around the volume knob. And speaking of that, there's your volume knob there. So easily increase or decrease the volume using that. Also on the front here, you can see you do have a headphone jack. So if you're using this for sound, but you want to switch over to headphones, you can plug your headphones into there and get your sound through your headphones. You've got a nice grill, looks really good. Simple Bluedee badging logo there on the front. Here on the bottom, you've got some nice rubber feet. Right now, they do have the little protective seal on them. I'm going to leave that on there for now until I decide where I'm going to put this. But they are nice rubberized feet, so they should grip really well and keep this thing in place wherever you put it, wherever you decide you want it. There's a little sign here on the back that you know your customer support information is underneath here. So we'll pull that off, and you can see you've got an email, so if you need customer support, you can email them and get that really easily. And right here, you've got your information on the specs. Bluedee PC Gaming Soundbar. Input is 5 volt to a max, and consumption is 6 watts. And then your support email address. But it's a nice looking soundbar, very simple. Looks very, very good. And I like the way you have that single nylon wire that contains both your method for power through USB, as well as the auxiliary jack to get sound. So operates very, very simply. Anyway, that is everything that comes in the box. So that is going to be it for the unboxing video. If you like this video, please click that like button. Don't forget to favorite my playlist or subscribe to my channel. Keep up with future product reviews and all my videos. I will be doing a full-on demo and review of the soundbar in a future video, so stay tuned for that if you want to see this thing in action and hear how it sounds. That will be coming up. And anyway, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.